This is flat. Oh, wow. Crazy flat. Eerie flat. Yeah, it is great. It's really crazy. I'm surprised that the water is so murky. I would think it would be clear here, but it's not. I guess maybe Lake Okeechobee is runoff? I don't know. It's definitely not very deep. I know that. This season on Cruising Still the One, I'm docking my boat at my house in Cape Coral, Florida, the winter home base for Still the One. My plan this season is to cruise South Florida, including the Florida Keys, the east coast of Florida, and the Bahamas. Come along in my journey and enjoy the beautiful scenery, interesting people, and places along the way. You and I can learn something new through my experiences of a motor cruiser on Cruising Still the One. Okay, we're leaving Moore Haven and we're heading to the Moore Haven Lock. And once we get through that lock, that will put us into the Okeechobee Lake. And we're going to run down the canal along the west bank of the Okeechobee, and then southwest side of the lake. We'll take a left turn and cut across the southern portion of the lake, heading for Indiantown. There'll be a lock on the other side of the lake that we will go through and continue on our way to the east coast of the ICW. Pleasure craft Still the One, Moorhead Lock. We'd like to go eastbound into the Okeechobee, please.
Watch for the green light, Cap. Side of your choice. 5-foot rise here.
Okay, buddy. Thank you very much. I'm going to go one more up. Just past that light spot, or that opening there, I'm going to give you that one. Yeah, I'm going to do this one right here. Got it? This is crazy how flat it is. Some burning over in the distance there. And no, they were earlier, but they're not now. Man, I tell you. Well, that'll get us some more views. There must be boats over there. Can't tell. Man, this is flat. Oh, wow. Crazy flat. Eerie flat. Yeah, it is great. It's really crazy. I'm surprised that the water is so murky. I would think that it would be clear here, but it's not. I guess maybe Lake Okeechobee is runoff. I don't know. It's definitely not very deep. I know that. No. Okay, so we made it across the Lake Okeechobee, and we're now approaching Fort Nyack. It looks like they are locking up now, which is good because when we get there, they will be up and ready for us to make our way into the lock. Okay, so we've made it across the Okeechobee. We're in the St. Lucie Canal, and we're heading to Indiantown Marina, where we're going to fuel up and get pumped out, and then finish our trip to St. Lucie Campground and the marina there, or just docks. So, good deal at St. Lucie Campground. It's run by the court, I think some government agency. $30 for a slip, including electric, I think, what I'm understanding. So, got my handy remote to drive with. So looking forward to our finished trip up across the Okeechobee and down into, we're not far from the ICW. Once we go through one more lock, I think that's it. And then we're back in the ICW, or this is the ICW, I guess, as well. I'm not sure it's considered the ICW, but it may be. Anyway, I'll have to figure that out. All right, let's see how we get in here. Yeah, it's just a gap here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there on that. Yeah, right there by the steps. Tie onto that cleat right there.
Right here?
No. Yep.
Okay. You can't get gas? Are you kidding? You can't use a credit card? When do they close?
Free.
No.
No wonder they didn't answer me.
So what do we do?
Leave.
Yeah, but where are you going to get gas?
Later on, tomorrow somewhere. We'll find it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're fine.
All right. When you're ready, I'll untie this one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that sucks.
Yeah, it sucks.
I just lost.
Well, word to the wise, if you want to get fuel at
Indian town.
Indian Town Marina, you got to be here for 3 o'clock. Can you believe that? Must be nice to have that short of a workday.
Well, that sucks.
Exactly why they didn't answer.
How much? There's no fuel at the next one.
Huh?
No fuel at the next one.
No, but we got a quarter tank.
Is
So
there anything in between here and that one?
we're good. Yeah, we got all the way over here with a quarter tank. So we're
Right.
good.
But do we have anything between here and St. Lucie?
No, we'll get it tomorrow. On the other side of the
No pump out.
yeah. All right, so we're back on our way to St. Lucie campground.